me tell you what, I'm very excited that the government shut down. Not because people don't have jobs, because it's never a good thing when people get furloughed, but I'm very excited about the fact that you know the world didn't end. It's like miraculous. Oh, the world didn't end. The government shut down. The world's not over. The cats and dogs are not living together. There's not pandemonium and rioting in the streets. They'll sort the thing out. It's not a big deal, and we're getting our finances under control, which is something that America desperately needs to do. Okay. Read the New York Times or not the New York Times. Read the Wall Street Journal and Investors Business Daily this morning. Everybody's talking about it. Guess how much effect that has on my trading today in making my decision on how to trade the pound dollar? Absolutely zero. Zilch. Nada. Not a thing. Doesn't matter. Because I know what my risk reward of the trade is. I know exactly where I'm getting in. If the market goes up, I know exactly where I'm getting in if the market goes down. I know where my stops are going once I place the trade, and I know where both of my targets are going to be before I ever place a trade. Before it ever happens, I know where I'm getting in, I know where I'm getting out. And I know the probability of every single trade that I take. Every single one. The power. You know how you get from conscious incompetence to conscious competence? You do that. And I don't care whether you're trading patterns, whether you're trading structure, whether you're trading a mechanical system. Doesn't matter to me at all. What you have to know is you got to know walking in exactly what's going to happen. Now, doing that doesn't guarantee a trade. It doesn't guarantee success. It does not guarantee that you're not going to have a losing trade, that the market's not going to come up here, fill me, and then drive right up and take me out on stops. Okay? But what does it guarantee? It guarantees that if I continue to follow the plan, I have an expected outcome. Because I know of all the testing, of all the history that we've done with the trading patterns that we trade, with the actual live results that we get every single month in the live trading room that Akil runs, we know what the percentage of those trades are. Okay? Does everybody understand the power of this? Now, if you can't identify new structure high, new structure low, we're going to have a bit of a problem, don't we? Right? If you don't know the basics, if you can't look at a chart and instantly know what's happening, makes it very, very hard for the pattern to appear, doesn't it? Ella says you can know your stuff and still be humble. If people knew what you knew, they wouldn't be in your room. It's probably they want to know. I don't have any idea what you're saying. It's okay. Let me see here. Questions so far? Here's another one. If we take a look at, this is an 8-range chart on USD Canada. Who here does not know what a range chart is? I mean, there's probably a lot of you, okay? So you guys are going to learn something new today, right now. Ready? Prepare, as if we didn't learn something new already, but something new right now. Here it goes. A range chart does not measure time. So when you think about, well, is it similar to a 5-minute chart or a 15-minute chart? What's the time? How does it correlate to time? It doesn't correlate to time at all. Not a shtick. Okay. A range chart measures a market's movement from